Toy Time Surprise!
Hello, little loves. It's little Annie here from Toy Time Surprise, and if you have subscribed and you're following us on Toy Time Surprise, you know we have some great egg surprises for you. And you know when we get excited, if you're excited and you know it, clap your hands. If you're excited and you know it, clap your hands. If you're excited and you know it, and you want Annie to show it. If you're excited and you know it, clap your hands. Here we go. Today we have so many cool Frozen stickers for you. Olaf, Elsa, and Anna. I can't wait, loves, to get started with you opening up eggs. I think we will start with our green egg. Let's see what's inside. We have a green Olaf snowflake sticker. It's very cool. Shiny. Oh, I know what this is, loves. We gotta give this little basketball egg some bounce. Here we go. Do it again. One more time. Okay, let's find out what's inside our basketball egg today. Oh, cutesy toozy. Cutesy toozy, we have Mitch and we have Max. Mitch and Max. Cutesy toozies. And Mitch and Max, they like to play together. They're so cute little mice. On to our next egg surprise. Oh, I think we will do the Aqua Olaf sticker. It says, I'm Olaf. Woo-hoo! Here we go. And open it. And open it. It's a Disney Olaf egg. Of course it is. And inside Olaf we have... Oh, it's so cute. It's a strawberry kiss. Let's see this. It's a strawberry kiss bracelet from Shopkins. I'm going to try it on. Let's see. It's really cute. Nice. Okay, we will set that over here. Our Shopkins Strawberry Kiss bracelet. On to our next egg. We're going to do yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. We'll do this big yellow egg. And we have Elsa on it. Are you ready, loves? Here we go. And we squeeze it and what? It's a what's up egg. I wonder what's up inside this egg. Okay. Let's give it a little Annie love pop in 3, 2, 1. Oh, loves. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. LOL Jitterbug. She has cute little boots. It's Jitterbug with her nice waved curl hair, her nice ginger red hair, and her little brown eyes, and her sparkly polka dot dress. Jitterbug. Jitterbug. And we know that Jitterbug loves to dance. Does a little boogie woogie. Hey Jitterbug, how are you? Hello, Miss Annie. How are you? I am doing great today. I'm excited because we have so many little loves watching you right now. Is there anything you'd like to say? Hello, little Jitterbug. I'm so glad you're here today. Me too, Miss Annie. So, what would you like to say to all the little loves out there? We know you're fancy and you're from Retro Club. What would you like to say? Don't walk, just dance. Dance, 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 dance. Oh, Jitterbug, you're so cute. I'm going to set you back here for a little bit. I'm going to set you right beside our little strawberry kiss bracelet because I know you're going to find that fancy. I think I do, Miss Annie. I think I like it. Do-do-do. Da-da-da-da-da. All right. Oh, little loves, weren't you excited to see that LOL? Jitterbug, she's so awesome. Time to open up another egg, loves. Let's go to purple. Purple. Okay, and on our purple egg, we have... What? Another what's up egg? I wonder what's inside, loves. Wonder what's inside. Ooh. We better give it a little Annie Love pop in 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Oh loves, it's a creeper from Minecraft. I hope I don't hear him hissing. Let's listen. I don't hear any noise because I know this Minecraft guy. And I'm going to put him right over. Hey, Miss Annie, who's that little green guy? Oh, little Jitterbug, that is Creeper. He's a creeper from Minecraft. Be careful. Oh, Miss Annie, don't worry. It's okay. But if you get too close, he might hiss and explode. Oh, I think that. Oh my goodness, Miss Annie. All he needs is some fancy things like my little boots. See, my little boots? And he needs sparkly dress, like a polka dot dress or something like blue, like on my dress. And all that fancy stuff. I think I'm going to... Jitterbug, wait. He might hiss, and if he hisses, that means he's going to explode, and I want everyone... Creeper Schmeeper! Let's go! Come on, Creeper. Let me help you. Oh, loves, that was close. I sure hope she's careful with that creeper. But we know Jitterbug, and she has a plan. Who knows what Creeper will be when he comes back? All right, loves, that's the end of this video. Click this link to watch part 2 and see the big yellow egg opening.